Today I'm sharing with you guys how I saved over $66 on this huge grocery haul. I'm going to share some money saving tips with you, and then I'll go through everything that I got. I decided to go to Hyvee today. I think there is a misconception that regular grocery stores like Hyvee or Kroger or Publix that you can't get good deals there. But if you're pretty selective and you look through your weekly ad, you can definitely get some good buys. This Ragu pasta sauce was on sale for $1.68, which is an awesome buy. The Chobani flips were also $1. My kids love those, and that is a great buy as well. I also needed some diet soda, and Coke was buy two, get one free. My local Hyvee, along with I think all Hyvees, do what they call a fuel saver program, and I found this coupon in my local paper where if I spent over $100, I could get 70 cents off per gallon of gas. I'll be sharing a little bit more about how much I got later. Lunchables are a favorite too. Those were super cheap, 6 for $8. Also, their shredded cheese was 4 for $10, and they also had their premium Daluso ham on sale at the deli counter. Powerade was 89 cents a bottle. What I like to do is get on my Walmart app and price compare and look at the items that I can actually get for cheaper at Hyvee, like these Jimmy Dean Delights. Those are super cheap. Mac and cheese on sale, 10 for $10. That's the same price as Walmart. And then they also do these buy this, get that free deals where you can spend a little bit of money and then get multiple items for free. My Hyvee does that pretty much every week, so I always like to take advantage of those as well. I think definitely using your ad helps, price comparing with Walmart or Aldi, and then obviously making a list or a game plan before you go to the store is really important so that you know what to look for and what to pick up. Blackberries were on sale for $3.99, and then Hyvee also does these hot deals every week where you can go on their app and load digital coupons to your account, and those deals are honestly pretty awesome most of the time as well. I want to take a quick break and thank today's video sponsor, Acorn TV. I've been working with them for quite a while here on my channel, and if you're not familiar with them, Acorn TV is the largest commercial-free British streaming service that features compelling stories, exclusive premieres, and originals that you won't find anywhere else. They are awesome because they have hundreds of exclusive shows from around the world, including award-winning mysteries, dramas, comedies, history, and so much more. I really love watching Acorn TV because it's really refreshing to find shows and series and docudramas that are original, especially in a time where it seems everyone has watched virtually every show available on other streaming platforms in the last year. They have weekly releases and hundreds of exclusive shows from around the world that you won't find anywhere else. This week I am traveling for work, and I actually love having Acorn TV on my phone. It's super easy to watch. I can watch it in my hotel room, and it is just a fantastic companion. Especially when I want to get work done, I can just pop my earbuds in and escape to a show. You can watch Acorn TV by downloading the app, like I said, or you can also stream via Apple, Android, Amazon Fire TV, Google Chromecast, Roku, and more. I would highly recommend getting Acorn TV just for the show Conviction, the case of Stephen Lawrence. This is an Acorn TV original miniseries that premiered in February to a full season binge, so bonus there. It's based on a true story from 1993 where an 18-year-old was murdered in an unprovoked racist attack. 13 years later, Detective Chief Inspector Clive Driscoll reopens the case on a mission to bring peace to Stephen's parents and justice to the perpetrators. Once again, highly recommend that. They also have many other series that I have watched, and every single one of them was great and definitely worth it. You can get thousands of hours of new enthralling content on Acorn TV for a fraction of the cost compared to most streaming services at just $6.99 per month in the US. Isn't that fantastic? The best part is that if you guys want to try Acorn TV free for 30 days, you can go to acorn.tv and use promo code JEN. Once again, if you guys want to try Acorn TV free for 30 days, highly recommend it. You can go to acorn.tv. I'll have the link in the description box below, and don't forget to use promo code JEN. Okay, so while this is not a budget grocery haul, haul. I definitely did save a ton of money today, so I wanted to share some of those tips with you guys. The first of which being the fuel saver I mentioned. So I did end up getting 90 cents off per gallon from this shopping trip. So multiplied by 18 gallons, I did that because my gas tank in my car is 18.5 gallons. I can actually save $24.94 the next time I get gas. So that is a significant part of the savings that I had today. I also saved $41.14 on all of these groceries. So let me kind of show you how everything worked as we go along, and I share with you this haul. So I did go ahead and get 2 pounds of regular strawberries. These were a little bit pricey at Hyvee, but I paid it because my kids love them, and I will cut them up and they will eat them in no time. This was actually $4 off, so I ended up getting this pound of strawberries for 99 cents. This is part of the Hyvee Plus membership, so it is something that you pay for every year. However, there's a lot of benefits to it, and it also gets you free grocery delivery year round, so I feel like it's worth it. Plus you get extra savings and things like that. I got some shredded lettuce. This will be for tacos this week. I'm actually gonna be going out of town this week for work, and one of the things I always like to meal prep for Adam and the kids is tacos or walking tacos or something like that. So I got this lettuce for that. I did get some pears. I can never successfully get pears home from the grocery store without bruising them. I need to be a little bit more careful about that, but these did look pretty good, so I got 4 of those. We'll have to probably eat those tomorrow so they don't end up going south on us. I did get some apples. These were on sale. These are the Cosmic Crisp, I guess. So I got 5 of these. I believe these were $1.99 a pound. I got 3 bell peppers, 1 red, 1 orange, 1 green. These were actually free because I ended up purchasing some old El Paso products, and if you purchase those, or you got $5 worth of produce for free, which is these 3 peppers that I got. I got some cilantro. This is probably one of the saddest bunches of cilantro I've ever purchased, but hey, whatever. I got some blueberries. These were not inexpensive, but Kira loves them, so I grabbed those for her. I got some green grapes. I decided to get the cheapest I could, and I think these were still like $3.99 a pound, so kind of ridiculous there. I got some carrot chips. These are gonna be for some hummus kind of snack boxes that I'm gonna prep for the week. I got some broccoli. This head of broccoli was on sale for $2.99, which actually isn't a terrible price, so I got that for a side this week. I got 4 bananas. They have a couple different brands of bananas at Hyvee. I always get the That's Smart brand because they're like 10 cents less a pound, so got those. I got a couple mangoes. These were actually on sale for $1 each, which is a pretty good deal, so I grabbed 2 of those. I got some of these sharp cheddar cheese snacks. Kira really likes these. She can throw them in her lunch. I got a small package of bologna for sandwiches this week. Connor likes bologna sandwiches. They do a deal at Hyvee where if you buy 10 pounds of deli meat, you get the 11th free, and I just happened to have my card all the way punched up, so I ended up purchasing this on my own. This is a pound of the Daluso double smoked ham, $7.99 a pound, and then this was the one I got for free, so that was actually $10.59 free off my total. And this is the honey mesquite turkey breast, so this will be for like sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches. I may prep some English muffin breakfast sandwiches, I'm not quite sure yet. I got some sharp cheddar cheese. This is what Kira likes on her sandwiches. These bags of shredded cheese were $2.50 each, which is on sale for Hyvee, but you can probably get it cheaper at Aldi or Walmart. However, I did end up getting 2 of these, so I'll go ahead and put 1 out in the garage refrigerator just because I always like to have a backup, and then one of these will be for taco night. I got some blackberries. These were on sale for $3.99 per 6-ounce package, which is highway robbery, but again, I spend the money on it because my kids really like fruit. I got some skinless beef franks. These are the Nathan's brand. These are our favorite kind of hot dogs, and they were on sale for $4.99, so I grabbed those. Kira, a lot of times for an after school snack, she'll have like cheese and pepperoni with crackers, so I got her some of these sharp cheddar cracker cuts and then some of the Hormel turkey pepperoni. The Chobani flips were on sale for $1, so I got 4 of those, 1 lemon peach peanut butter cookies and cream. And then some of you guys asked me about the Chobani zero sugar yogurt that I purchased a couple months back. I do not care for it like at all. I think it tastes like plastic, but I've had the Dannon Light and Fit before, and it's really good. These are only like 80 calories and they're lower in sugar, so I got 1 strawberry banana, 1 toasted coconut vanilla, 1 regular vanilla, and then a chocolate raspberry. I got some almond milk. For some reason, I got away from using almond milk in my coffee, and I don't really remember why or how, but last week I decided to get almond milk to make my iced lattes with at home, and I really like it. This is good. It's the Simply Almond Unsweetened Almond Milk. I highly recommend it if you like almond milk. I got some 2% milk for recipes and cereal and that kind of stuff. I got some sugar-free creamer for Adam. He's all out of that. He likes this Italian sweet cream, zero sugar by Coffee Mate. These Cleo Greek yogurt bars are a little bit pricey. They were on sale for $5. I actually like buying them at Sam's because they have them in a huge package for not very much, but the kids like to take these in their lunches. So I got 2 strawberry, 1 blueberry, 1 vanilla. These were free. So 2 of the twice baked potatoes for $4. This was part, once again, of the Hyvee Plus membership. So I'll probably cook those for dinner tomorrow. If not, I'll just throw them back in the freezer because they did come frozen, so you can do that. Okay, so they had Lunchables on sale. They were 8 for $6, which is actually a really good deal. So I got 3 of the pepperoni and mozzarella, 3 of the turkey and cheddar. I normally pack the kids' lunches during the week, but since I'm gonna be gone this week, I figured that I would get these for them to do it on their own. It'd be a little bit easier for them. I like to have some type of like spreadable butter in the refrigerator just for toast. So I got some of this Land O'Lakes butter with canola oil. We're low on eggs, so I got 18 of the free-range brown eggs. I'll probably boil some of these up for hard-boiled eggs. I got a package of the Simply Orange mini 100-calorie orange juices. Those are super convenient. And then I also got some no sugar added applesauce for the kids' lunches. I got some wheat thins. Kira likes to eat those for a snack. And then this was part of the deal where if you spent $6 in Old El Paso products, you got $5 off your produce. So I ended up getting this soft taco kit that Adam can use this week, and then a can of the green chili refried beans, which I really like, so got those. I got 2 cans of soup for Adam to take for lunch this week. One is beef with vegetable and the other one is jambalaya. These were actually free, so these pork and beans. If you purchased 4 of these 8-ounce pork chops, which I actually thought was a good deal, so this was 2 pounds of pork loin chops for $8. Then you got a couple things free, which I'll tell you, but these were either 99 cents or $1.99. I can't remember. I got them free with that deal. So I don't particularly super like pork and beans, but you can actually mix them with regular baked beans and they're pretty good. So got those. I got this salsa con queso because I think I'm gonna try and make like some type of burrito bowls tomorrow night for dinner. So like rice, beans, you know, chicken or steak, whatever. So I got that for those. I got some buns for the hot dogs. I got some English muffins. These are the Thomas 100% whole wheat English muffins. So those are pretty good. I got some of these King's Hawaiian rolls. The kids really like to have sandwiches with these, and I thought that would be something I could kind of prep and put in the refrigerator for them and then freeze the rest. So got that. This was another deal. Okay, I can't find the other package of taco seasoning, but it's here somewhere. Anyway, they had buy one, get one free on the taco seasoning mix. So that was, they were 99 cents each. So I ended up getting 2 for 99 cents, which is a pretty good deal. I got some Cliff bars for Kira, white chocolate macadamia nut, chocolate chip, and chocolate chip peanut crunch. And then I also got some water flavoring raspberry lemonade, the Hyvee brand. I got these for me to take in my bag this week with me when I travel. It's just nice to have something like this in your bag, especially when you're at work all day, if you don't have access to something and you need some protein or a snack. These are the Alani Nu protein bars. They're actually pretty good if you've never had them before. This one is peanut butter cup and this one is confetti cake. I feel like I've had the confetti cake one before, but I can't remember exactly, but they're good. I've had at least a couple of the flavors before. Okay, I got some Kool-Aid Jammers. I normally like to get the Capri Sun Roaring Water, but they were all out. There was like 0 Capri Sun in the store. There's actually only 2 boxes of these Kool-Aid Jammers left, so I got those for the kids' lunches. I got these Nature Valley peanut butter chocolate bars. I figured Connor could take these for a snack in his bag this week. I got some of these Lay's Poppables. I feel like I've had these before and they're pretty good, so I thought I would grab a bag of those since we haven't had them for a while. I got a loaf of wheat bread. I don't know, I might just stick this in the fridge because I feel like maybe the kids are going to use this instead, but I don't know. This is the Hyvee cottage wheat. It's pretty good. I get it a lot. Okay, so if you like corn nuts, these are delicious. This is Love Corn and it is sea salt flavor. They have, I believe, a vegan cheese flavor and then maybe a barbecue. I'm not for sure, but I was on a flight back from DC a couple of weeks ago and this is one of the snacks they gave us. This little, of course, it was a tiny package. And I was like, oh wow, I've never had these before. These are actually good. So I got these for Adam. He really likes corn nuts. Now, I don't know, I should have looked this up before I talked about this, but I really don't think that actual corn nuts are made out of corn. Are they? I don't know. I feel dumb saying that, but I feel like these are a lot less like processed than actual corn nuts because all these have in them is corn, sea salt, and sunflower oil. So I don't know, but let me know if you guys have tried these. Like I said, they're actually pretty good. I highly recommend them. And then I got some Ragu. So this was one of the deals that Hyvee had this week that's actually cheaper than Walmart. So I don't normally really care that much for Ragu spaghetti sauce. However, they have this new Ragu Simply, and it says it's made with olive oil, no sugar added, so I thought I would try it. So I got 2 jars of that. I always like to have tomato sauce on hand because I volunteer for Lasagna Love, and if I ever have to make a lasagna, then I'll have some on hand. This was a free bottle of barbecue sauce, probably not the best quality, but probably something like this I would use like with crock-pot barbecue meatballs or something like that. Anyway, it's just regular original barbecue sauce. That was free. When I purchased the pork chops, I got some napkins because we were out of those. I got some of these Ritz cheese crackers. The kids love these for snacks. And then I got both of these big loaves of garlic bread for free. So one of them was a free deal with the pork chops, and then one of them was a free deal with the Hyvee Plus membership. So these are normally both $3.99 each, which I agree is like ridiculous price. So that's almost $8 in garlic bread that I got for free. So yay. I got some of the baked and popped individual bags of Frito-Lays. So these come with baked Ruffles, Lays, the Smart Food white cheddar popcorn, and baked Cheetos. So those are always good for lunches. These have gone up in price like ridiculously. This bag was $9.99, which I was highly shocked by that, but whatever. Okay, I did get some paper plates because we've been out of those for a while. The Powerade was also on sale. I believe these were on sale for 89 cents each, and I looked up on Walmart and they were cheaper than I could get them at Walmart, so I felt like that was a good deal. I always get the Powerade Zero Sugar, so I got 3 of those. Kira likes these Amy's Burritos. These are the non-dairy ones. They're just made with beans and rice inside, so I got her 2 of those. I got some of these Jimmy Dean Delights Egg Witches for Adam. This was another deal that was cheaper at Hyvee than it was at Walmart. These are just the ones that don't have any bread. They're like a little frittata bun, I guess, if you will. So there's 4 of those in there. I don't know. I mean, stuff like this is obviously more expensive than making it yourself, but I want to say these were like 6 something per box, which that makes these like less than $2 a piece. Obviously cheaper than going and stopping somewhere and getting something for breakfast, and probably a lot healthier too. I use healthy with quotes because obviously it's still processed food. I got some tortilla chips. We always like to have chips and salsa on hand, and we're almost out of those, so I got a bag of those. I already have some salsa in the fridge. And then I saw these huge bags of salted and shell peanuts. Adam really likes these. I have not bought them for him in forever. I was actually thinking when I got these, I was like, I wonder if I've ever had a boiled peanut. And I know they're like popular in the South. I don't think I ever have. I'm actually going to Texas next week, so maybe I'll try a boiled peanut if I can find one. But these are just like regular salted and shell peanuts. He likes to snack on those, so I got those for him. And then I got some diet soda and some sparkling water. So this was the Waterloo sparkling water, grape flavor. I've never had that before, so I decided to try it. And then the 12 packs of Diet Coke ended up being cheaper at Hyvee as well. So I want to say they were like $7 each, and if you bought 2, you got 1 free. So you ended up getting 3 12 packs for $14, which, yes, I know is ridiculous. I can still remember when I used to go buy soda and you could get 4 12 packs for $10. Not anymore. Not anymore, but I love diet soda and I'll probably never give it up. So that's one of my toxic traits probably, but anyway, it's probably better than a lot of things that I could buy in excess. So anyway, that's what I got from Hyvee this week. Let me know, do you guys have a Hyvee near you? Do you shop there? If you don't, what's your local grocery store, and do you find any like awesome deals there, or what are some of your tips for shopping at the regular grocery store? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.